Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Mike and this is Michelle. Welcome to Yaoundé, and today we are doing a back bend special. So join me on your mat and let's get started. We're going to start in puppy's pose, stretching the back, relaxing, releasing tension. So come to your knees. You want to have a straight line between your knee and your hips, and move your hands to the top of your mat, stretching your hands, and then bring your upper body, your skull to the mat. And depending on your anatomy, you may want your skull or your chin on the mat. I feel better with my chin on the mat, or my skull on the mat. So listen to your body and do what feels best for you. With every exhale, you're bringing your chest towards the mat. Inhale and exhale through the nose. Let go of everything that's not serving you at this moment. Deep breaths. Invitation to set an intention for today's practice. Deepening your breath with every inhale, exhale, relaxing and letting go of tension. When you're ready, bring your elbows on the mat, bring your skull on the mat, and move your hands towards your upper body. And let's find downward dog. Tucking your toes, hands underneath your shoulders, lift your knees, find a downward dog. You can go into a walking dog here. Your body may be tight depending on what time you're practicing, either at the beginning of your day or the end of your day. So listen to your body. You want to look like a V from the side. Inhale, exhale, let go. Plant your left leg on the mat, lift your right leg. Let's take a three-legged dog. Lift it all the way up, and when you're ready, bend your right leg, open up to the right, and you can flip your dog, going to flip dog or wild thing, and then come back to center, down three-legged dog, and then downward dog. Bring your knees onto the mat, upper body to the mat, find your cobra. Lifting your chest, and you can lift your hands from the mat for 3, 2, 1. It's all good. Bring your skull back to the mat, and we're going to find a bow on the side. So bending your leg, grab both ankles from outside, and start to kick your leg into your hand, kicking away from your upper body, and lift your body as you kick away. You want to look like a bow. 3, 2, and 1. Release your whole the mat, and then bend your right knee, flip to the left side, and flip to your back. C'est bon. Bring both legs on the mat, bend your knees facing up, belly button tucked, hands near your feet. You can plant your hands, your palms on the mat. Whenever you're ready, lift your glutes up. Let's find a bridge pose. 3, 2, 1. Release. Stretch your right leg. Bend your left leg. Come into a twist with the left side. On the other side. Exactly. And then flip your left hand onto the mat, bringing your chest towards the mat, so turning all the way. Half rock for 1 breath. Bring your hands onto the mat, stretch your left leg, and push up to downward dog. Breathing in through the nose, in and out. And we'll find the same sequence on the other side. So plant your right leg, lift your left leg all the way up, downward dog, three-legged dog. Then bend your leg, and if you are willing to, you can bring your left leg onto the mat, lifting your right hand, wild thing. Hands back onto the mat, three-legged dog. And find a vinyasa here. So come to plank this time around, and then knee, chin and chest, or chaturanga. Inhale, cobra or upward dog. Exhale, fold, Chin on the mat or chest on the mat, bending both legs, and let's find cobra again on this. Let's find bow pose on this side. So pushing your feet in your hands, lifting your heart, bow pose. 3, 2, 1, release. And this time around, bend your left knee and flip yourself onto the right side, turning to the right, turning onto your back. Yeah, it's just a way to turn onto your back. So come to your back however it feels comfortable. Okay. Nothing fancy. You can take bridge pose here again. So bringing your legs, your feet hip wide apart. You can find a bridge pose. Or if you have wheel in your practice and you want to do a wheel with us, bring your hands near your ears, placing your hands on the mat. And if you have long hair, make sure your hair is not in your way. And elbows facing up. Press on your elbows, find bridge. And press your palms to lift your upper body all the way up to find a full wheel pose. Holding and breathing for 3, for 2, and 1. Come all the way down. You can bring your head onto the mat. Release your back. Fine. Lie on your back and leave both legs where they are. And we're going to take a twist also on the left side. So bringing your right leg onto the left and twisting. You can look to your right. Keep on breathing for 3, for 2, for 1, and come back to your back. And we're going to bring our feet to the mat and take some windshield wipers. Just releasing the knees, releasing your lower back. A couple of windshield wipers. And let's find a child's pose, reverse child's pose. So bringing your knees onto your upper body. Hug your knees. Chin to your knees, round your back. Lift your chin to your knees, round your back. And release your head again. Stretch your legs. And let's take a Shavasana for a couple of breaths to end our sequence. Palms facing up. Relaxing, breathing, letting go. And right now is amazing, windy. I don't know if you can hear the sound of the wind through the trees. So it's really relaxing. You're welcome to stay in this Shavasana as long as you need. We've got just a few minutes for this yoga quickies. So I'm going to invite you to either pause the video and stay longer in Shavasana. Or if you're ready to end the class, turn onto your favorite side, lying on your favorite side. Come to fetal pose, bending your legs. Give yourself a big hug. Give yourself some love. Be there for you. You can tell yourself, I got you. Place your upper hand onto the mat. Use it to lift yourself up into a comfortable seat of your choice. Sitting up tall, tucking in your belly button. Lift your hands all the way up and bring it down in a big hug. And bring it back in front of you and bow down in front of you. Namaste. Thank you very much for practicing with me. Thank you, Michelle, for playing along, for being here. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I remember I've not been asking this lately. Do subscribe below. Click the subscribe button, click the like button, share to your friends, your family, your neighbors, your village people, sisters, uncles, everybody who could benefit from practicing free yoga online. And I hope to see you next time on the mat. Bye-bye.